Krishna Nidhi Clubhouse. Hi friends, welcome back. As you can all see, today we are going to learn capital and small a to z. So let's see. This is an apple. Apple starts with the letter A. Capital A, small a. This is a ball. Ball starts with the letter B. Capital B, small b. This is a cup. Cup starts with the letter C. Capital C, small c. This is a drum. Drum starts with the letter D. Capital D, small d. This is an egg. Egg starts with the letter E. Capital E, small e. This is a fish. Fish starts with the letter F. Capital F, small f. This is a grapes. Grapes start with the letter G. Capital G, small g. This is a house. House starts with the letter H. Capital H, small h. This is an ice cream. Ice cream starts with the letter I. Capital I, small I. This is a jug. Jug starts with the letter J. Capital J, small j. This is a kite. Kite starts with the letter K. Capital K, small k. This is a lamp. Lamp starts with the letter L. Capital L, small l. This is a mango. Mango starts with the letter M. Capital M, small m. This is a net. Net starts with the letter N. Capital N, small n. This is an octopus. Octopus starts with the letter O. Capital O, small o. This is a peacock. Peacock starts with the letter P. Capital P, small p. This is a quill. Quill starts with the letter Q. Capital Q, small q. This is a rainbow. Rainbow starts with the letter R. Capital R, small r. This is a snail. Snail starts with the letter S. Capital S, small s. This is a tomato. Tomato starts with the letter T. Capital T, small t. This is an umbrella. Umbrella starts with the letter U. Capital U, small u. These are vegetables. Vegetable starts with the letter V. Capital V, small v. This is watch. Watch starts with the letter W. Capital W, small w. This is Xmas tree. Xmas tree starts with the letter X. Capital X, small x. This is a yo-yo. Yo-yo starts with the letter Y. Capital Y, small y. This is a zigzag. Zigzag starts with the letter Z. Capital Z, small z. So these were the capital and small a to Z. You can also learn writing this. Thank you. Bye bye. Hope you liked my video. Please subscribe and like to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.